Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edibles. And guess what I have for you today? It's chocolate ice cream, and you are going to love this recipe. Look at that. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's dive in. I'll be using 1 cup of milk powder, 3/4 cup of Milo, and it's equivalent to 12 tablespoons, 150 ml of condensed milk, vanilla essence, and boom, these are the 4 things we are going to use to make our chocolate ice cream today. So in a bowl, I pour in my milk powder and then add my Milo to it, and also my condensed milk. You can also use blender to do this. You can pour the whole mixture into a blender, you add water to it, and then you blend it at once, or you can do it this way too. So I then go in with my warm water. I'll be using 350 ml of warm water. You can also use cold water as well, but the warm water helps to dissolve the mixture fast, especially if you are using Milo. Then I would advise you to use warm water, okay? And you can use any cocoa product of your choice instead of the Milo. You can use cocoa powder or brown chocolate. Any cocoa product of your choice, you can go ahead and use it, okay? I chose to use Milo. You can use different thing, okay? And if you are someone who likes too much sugar, you can go ahead and add sugar to your recipe, but trust me, too sugary ice cream doesn't really taste good. And I then go ahead and add the remaining warm water to the mixture and then stir everything together. Just like I said, I am using 350 ml of warm water. Finally, I add half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and this is totally optional, okay? Chocolate ice cream doesn't call for vanilla flavor, it's just optional, but it's something that I love. In fact, any ice cream that I do make, I add vanilla flavor to it, okay? I love it like the way I love my fufu and light soup. So guys, this is the consistency of our cream. And I'll then go ahead and pour the mixture into this cup. This is just to make it easy to fill my ice cream cups, okay? And these are the cups that I'll be using, these small cups. If you come to Ghana here, this is what we call ice cream cups, and everybody love it. I personally love to enjoy my ice cream in these small cups. We are not used to popsicle molds. This is what we know, these small cups. And these are the sticks that I'll be using. I'll be using chewing sticks. So guys, I'm going to put this in my deep freezer. I'll see you in the next 8 hours. Bye. It's already 8 hours and our ice cream is ready. So I got my plate here and also my bowl. I pour in some amount of cold water in my bowl and then put in some of the cups. Allow it to demold small, and then you bring it out. Yes, just like this. And then you hold the stick. You turn it around gently and then you pull it out slowly. Turn it around gently, you put it out slowly, and there you have it. Look at that, beautiful. And have you checked the color difference? The down part is dark brown than the upper part. This is because of the Milo, and that is the reason why I love to use Milo to make my chocolate ice cream. And as you could see, very simple and easy. If you have interest to use this as a business, please, I would advise you to go ahead and do it. And I hope you try my recipe at home, and trust me, your whole family will love it. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Kansamita.